Brand new and exclusive to Canvas Tent Shop, the OvenKube stove. The OvenKube stove can be set up in just a few minutes. First, unfold the four legs from the underside of the stove body and position the stove on a level surface. Next, attach the two black lever handles to the doors, tightening the screws securely with the Allen key. Then affix the wooden handle to the airflow controller located on the left-hand door. The oven thermometer fits into the centre of the right-hand door. Make sure to check which way up it is before tightening into position. You can now unload the flue sections from the stove body. Using the supplied screws, attach the flue support cuff to the top of the stove. Install the flue pieces into the flue support cuff, ensuring the airflow controller section is the first or second section from the bottom. And once at the required height, place the spark arrestor at the top. Your OvenKube stove is now ready for its first burn to cure the paintwork. This is an essential step before using the stove in a tent or a shelter with a suitable flashing kit. Please refer to the user guide supplied for full safety advice and curing instructions. Your OvenKube stove is now ready to cook on. Available and in stock, ready for dispatch.